to our guide on the food groups. In this video, we'll explore the essential food groups that form the foundation of a healthy diet, helping you make nutritious choices every day. Get ready to discover how to balance your plate for optimal health and energy. Food groups categorize foods with similar nutritional properties into distinct categories. They are important because they help ensure a balanced diet that provides all essential nutrients for maintaining health and well-being. The main food groups include fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. Understanding these groups helps you create balanced meals that support a healthy lifestyle. Now let's take a look at each food group. Fruits. Fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for maintaining overall health and preventing diseases. They also provide natural sugars for energy. Examples include apples, oranges, berries, and bananas. Vegetables. Vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, contributing to a healthy digestive system and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. They are low in calories and high in nutrients. Examples include spinach, carrots, broccoli, and bell peppers. Grains. Grains provide carbohydrates, which are the body's main source of energy, along with fiber, B vitamins, and essential minerals. Whole grains are particularly beneficial as they contain more nutrients than refined grains. Examples include whole wheat bread, brown rice, oats, and quinoa. Protein. Protein foods are crucial for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. This group includes both animal and plant-based sources. Examples include chicken, fish, beans, and nuts. Dairy. Dairy products are important for supplying calcium, vitamin D, and protein, all of which are necessary for strong bones and teeth. They also provide other essential nutrients like potassium. Examples include milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter. In conclusion, understanding the different food groups and their benefits is key to maintaining a healthy and balanced diet. Each group provides essential nutrients that support various bodily functions and overall well-being. By including a variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy in your meals, you can ensure your body gets the nourishment it needs. Remember, a balanced diet is crucial for staying healthy, energetic, and strong against diseases. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.